Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download free stickers online. So firstly, open the Line app and then go to More, then click Sticker Shop. Here you will find a list of different stickers that you can either purchase or download for free. To find free stickers, just click on the tab Free, and here you can download free stickers that you can use on your Line chats. For example, I'm going to be downloading this one and just press download. Then once the download is complete, just press OK and you can use this sticker pack on your Line chats. As you can see, I'm just picking a random chat and clicking the sticker icon, and then if I scroll, I will find my recently downloaded sticker pack. And I can use this whenever I want. So that is how you can find free stickers online and how to download them. That's all I have for you today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below, and I will happily answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye!